baby. That's what I'm talking about. And then I wanted to show you what I think the culprit was. I think it was this remote start that I have on my truck. And so I don't think that there was anything wrong with my, actually I do. When I got the new part, the new ignition switch, of course I couldn't get this part by itself. I had to get the housing, and then that come out real easy, which obviously I don't need. But then I had to do the relearn 3 times, and then now we have no pass lock light on. But I wanted to tell you, after I did all that, if I were to try to use this now, this sends a different code and it'll interfere with the pass lock programming on the pass lock system, and then you will no longer be able to start your truck. So again, this was a part, I'll try to take a screenshot of it. This was for the 2005 GMC Canyon. Again, the dealership wouldn't give me the part number, but I ended up finding it, the GM part number, online. And then neither Napa or O'Reilly's or any of the auto parts store, the junkyard, I ran into several problems with not being able to get this out. And so again, here's where it was located on the other side, and that's the new one that I put in. And then once I did the relearning on the pass lock, fired right up, baby. So we fixed our problem, and I wanted to show you the cost of the new part. I got it in a couple days. Was like $45 or something. So I returned the other one, and I just wanted to say the problem was this one wasn't turning over, but I still had all my power to my accessories and stuff. And so that was the issue, is that I wasn't even getting a turnover, and it was when I kind of had to turn the key in 100 different ways to get it started. So that's just some important information about this particular model, the 2005 GMC Canyon. This is the 3.5 inline 5 on this particular motor. But I'm going to throw this away probably, because I just wanted to warn people about how using this aftermarket remote start key fob actually unlearned the pass lock match code for the ignition switch. And so when I did get the new one, it did crank over, but it didn't start. I had to do the relearning for the pass lock 3 times. On the 3rd time, she fired up again. Then I tried my remote start from before. That killed the learning to the pass lock programming, and I had to redo it. And that's how I discovered this little issue. I hope that's helpful. Drop a comment, let me know. Hopefully you guys get your truck started too. Goodbye.